Is Cooking with Love. Love, tell everyone hey.
Hey.
Say welcome to my channel.
Welcome my channel.
Say today we are making cornbread.
Cornbread.
Yay! All of our ingredients for the cornbread. Hold on, you gotta show them all of the ingredients first, don't you? We have a bowl with a spoon, cornbread. Sometimes we do use the actual cornmeal, but we are using cornbread today. I usually put sugar in my cornbread, and we don't have any more sugar, and I just realized it after I left the grocery store. So instead of sugar, we're going to use honey. It gives it the same sweet flavor, if not just a little sweeter, but we're not going to use much honey in it. And then we have our milk. We don't use regular milk, we use almond milk, so this is unsweetened almond milk. I'm using unsweetened because the honey itself is sweet, so there's no need for sweet almond milk. And then 1 egg. So we're going to go ahead and mix up all of these ingredients. Here, love. Get your spoon in your bowl. Pour all your meal in the bowl. Pour it in there. Love is so good at helping out making stuff. It's so wonderful. You can pour it all in there, all of it. There you go. Uh-oh, don't make a mess, baby. All right. So now that she hasn't poured all of it in there, so let's pour it all in there. Okay, so that's all the cornmeal. And next we're going to go ahead and pour in our milk. Instead of the 1/3 cup that it asks for the milk, I like to do a 1/2 cup, just because the cornbread is a little too thick if you only use the amount that they require. So I use 1/2 cup of the milk. We're going to get the honey and pour a little in there, just a little, baby, because you know it's sweet. This is about, probably going to do like
Squishy.
one. That was about 3 squeeze right there. That was about 3 squeeze of honey. So, oh yeah. And you can always add cornmeal to your batter if it's too watery for you or anything. Baby, go really slow, really slow. Look at Love, she's so beautiful. She's mixing that up. Okay, are you ready to go ahead and put your egg in?
Yeah.
Okay, crack your egg. There you go. I know a lot of people are probably going to trip out over busting the egg like that, but she's a child. I let her have fun with it when she's making stuff herself. And she loves cornbread, so we're pretty much making this cornbread for her to eat on. Hold on, let me get the bottom of it. I'm going to set this camera up, y'all. So give me 1 second to set this up. Let me switch it over, actually. I see, baby. She is mixing that cornbread up. Let me see. Just gonna make sure it's mixed up really well.
Mommy's mine. Oh, it's lying.
I think it's mixed up pretty good, baby. Don't you think? Okay, now let's get our pan. Do 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 do. Let's get our pan.
Oh, it's squishy. Let mommy. Woohoo. It's monster, mommy. Oh.
All right, so usually we put our cornbread in this little loaf pan because I like to make cute little slices of the cornbread. And then we use our Crisco oil. No, hold on. Remember, we got to spray the pan real good. Got to spray the pan really good so it doesn't stick.
Fire!
It's not a fire, girl. Love is so silly, y'all. That's my baby, though. No, remember, we're going to pour it in there. Let's make sure it's mixed up really good first. Cover your mouth. I'm so glad this is our house, y'all, because she's coughing and everything all in the video.
Oh.
Get the spoon. Here, hold the bowl. Hold the bowl, just like that. Hold on. Hold it over it. And if there's any wet cornbread in your mix, you can always just get it in. Stir it around. Not much because you got the oil at the bottom. So once again, this is her cornbread, so y'all, it really don't matter too much how pretty this looks or anything. As you see, it's a mess. But it's made out of love, so that's all that matters. Love wanted some cornbread, so we went and got some cornbread.
Mommy.
We're all done with that, so I'm gonna just clean up the mess some. I just get a napkin and clean it up some. Once again, guys, don't pay too much attention to how messy it is because this is just some cornbread she's making. She just likes to help do the cooking, so I'll let her do little simple stuff. Okay, baby, that's enough stirring. Y'all, she would stir all day. She loves stirring. Okay, so we're gonna get this. We're gonna put it in the oven. We're gonna put it on the temperature of 400, and then we're gonna leave it in there for about like 15-20 minutes. It all depends on how you want your cornbread. Some people like their cornbread moist. Some people like theirs a little on like the drier side, should I say. We like ours in between, so we do ours. We'll check it at 15 minutes. If it looks good, then we'll take it out. If not, then we'll leave it in for an additional 5 minutes to make the 20 minutes. But we're gonna put it in the oven at 400, and then it's gonna come out so beautiful. Love, tell everyone thank you for watching your video.
I said, get and watch the video.
Say until next time.
Say,